Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 27th, and we're going to continue with patterns today. So go ahead and take your packet out, open it to today's date, Thursday, May 27th, and we will again continue with patterns. So I'm going to share my screen. And this is going to be a very quick one because this is like the third day we're doing patterns. So you have two we do's and one I do. Okay. All right. So the first one reads Susie started with 4 and multiplied it and each term after it by 3. What were the first 5 terms of Susie's sequence? So I'm going to pause right there and let you cue. So you should have underlined what were the first 5 terms of Susie's sequence. And we're going to box in first 5. So box that in your big question. And let's go back and see what's in the problem that's given that's going to help us to answer the big question. Susie started with 4. So I know she started with the number 4 in her sequence. So make sure that you box that in. Then she multiplied it. Now I'm going to go up here and say it is 4. So she multiplied 4 and so not only did she multiply the 4, but she multiplied each term after it by 3. So all of this is important. Okay. So remember, she started with the number 4, and then after 4, so 4 was the first number in her sequence. Then she multiplied this 4 by 3. So she multiplied this first 4 in her sequence by 3. So we know the first digit has to be 4. Let's look at our answer choices. Look at what we have as the first digit, A, B, C, and D. So we know that C has a 12 as the first one, along with D. So we can get rid of those two. Okay. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that 4 and multiply it by 3. So multiply 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 we know is 12. Okay. So the second number in the sequence is 12. Okay. So let's look at A and B. They both have 12 as the second one. Then we're going to take 12 and multiply it by 3. So 12 times the 3. And I'm going to pause right there and let you do it. Okay, 3 times 2 we know is 6. 3 times 1 we know is 3. Okay, so the third number in the sequence is 36. So again, the first number, she started with 4, multiplied the 4 by 3, and every number after it she multiplied by 3. So that's what we did. We took the 4, we multiplied 4 by 3 and got 12. Then we took the 12 and multiplied it by 3 and got 36. Now we need to take the 36 and multiply it by 3. Remember, we're looking for the first 5. We only have 3. 1, 2, 3 numbers so far. So now I have to take the 36 and multiply it by 3 as well. And I'll pause and let you do that. Okay, we know 3 times 6 is 18. So put down your 8 and carry your 1. It's your 8 here and carry your 1. And then 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So 3 times 36 gives me 108. So 108 would be the fourth number in the series. Okay. Now remember we need 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need one more. So now we're going to take the 108 and multiply it by 3. So this time write 108 and times that by 3. And I'll pause and let you do it. Okay, so 3 times 8 we know is 24. Put down the 4. Put my plus 2 above my 0. Now I'm going to do 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 gives me 2. And then 3 times 1 is 3. So the fifth number in my sequence is 324. All right, so now let's go back. What were the first 5 terms of Susie's sequence? 4, 12, 36, 108, 324. So what looks like that? A. You're exactly right. So please circle A on your paper. And I'll pause and let you catch up. So make sure you always read your big question, and this one says the first 5 terms. So you had to have 5 numbers, terms meaning numbers. Okay, let's go to the next question. The next question is a we do as well, and it reads, a number pattern is shown. 3, 5, 8, 12, 17, 23, and 30. Which best describes the rule used in the pattern? Okay, so let's underline our big question. And this time we're looking for the rules. So we have to look for some type of pattern with the numbers. And these are our numbers that we're using here. So all of this is important. Okay. So when you look at the number 3 and you go to the number 5, is it increasing or decreasing? You're right, it's increasing. When I go to 5 to 10 to 8, I'm sorry, is it increasing or decreasing? Increasing again. 8 to 12, increasing. 12 to 17, increasing. 17 to 23, increasing. 23 to 30, increasing. Okay, so we know whatever we have is going to be a plus something. We have to figure out what is the rule for this one, which best describes the rule. And notice that when you look at the rules for your answer choices, that this one is the only one. These two are the same, plus 2, and then these vary. So we have to look and see because that's why you have to do every single number. Okay. So when you look at 3 to 5, how much more is 3, 5 than 3? Okay, you're exactly right. It's 2 more. So let's put a plus 2 right here. So this would be plus 2. So from 3 to 5 would be plus 2. So please write that on your paper. This would be plus 2. So that I can do in my head. All right, what about 5 to 8? If I go from 5 to 8, we already said it's going to be an increase, so it's going to be plus something. So how much more is 8 than 5? So 8 minus 5, we know is a plus what? You're exactly right. That would be a plus 3. Okay. All right, let's go from 8 to 12. Let's make this one a different color. Help you to see it. So 5 to so from here to here would be a +3. All right, now let's go from 8 to 12. How much more is 12 than 8? So 12 take away 8. I'll give you time to figure that out on your paper. And then when you get it, put your plus whatever you got right here. Okay, you're exactly right. This would be a +4. All right, so your next number is 12 and 17. So how much more is 17 than 12? So you can do that by subtracting. All right, what'd you get? You're exactly right. This would be a +5 here. All right, now you're going from 17 to 23. Go ahead and subtract 17 from 23. And then you put your answer here. Exactly right. This would be a +6 right there. And the final one is 23 to 30. 30 take away 23 leaves what? Okay. So then this would be a +10. All right. So now this would be your pattern: +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. So that which one of these matches what's up here? All right. Go ahead and circle your correct answer. All right. So you're correct. Your correct answer would be C. So then you just okay. All right, let's go to your next question, which should be a you do. And it reads, Thomasina used a pattern to show how the number of students attending football games at her school each week was increasing. Okay, increasing means the numbers are getting bigger. If this pattern continues, which statement describes the number of students that will attend the next game? All right, so just like we found just now, the rule for the sequence of numbers, that's what you're going to do here. But it says if it continues, which statement describes the number of students that will attend the next game? So it's going to be what you get back here for the answer. Okay, so you need to first figure out what is the rule for 75 to 85. Then figure out what's the rule for 85 to 100. What's the rule for 100 to 120? What's the rule for 120 to 145? And if it was to increase again, what would be at the end? Okay. It says if the pattern continues, which statement would describe the number of students that will attend the next game. Okay. All right. So once you get your answer, please make sure you put it in your Kahoots and make sure you take it very seriously. And remember, you're getting what's going to be at the end. Okay. Increase by what? So go ahead and get your Kahoots done. Make sure you put only your name and do it one time. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.